Hello everyone, my name is Precious Iriaevho. You know that already. As you can see, it's been what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. We left off, a big pause, a big gap, but I'm back and I hope you've been ready, waiting for me all this while. I realized that it is time for me to make this comeback. First, because I think it is time for us to pick up where we left off. And second, because there's a lot of things happening in the world right now, especially in tech, and I think it's time for us to, get a new direction. Personally, I've made some advancements in my own career as head of marketing in in the top mobility company in Nigeria. I've been able to learn a lot in my past experience and I've seen how things develop and degrade. And now I understand that we need to take a new outlook on how we see things. Previously on this channel, formerly known as Clickate Academy, if you check my older videos, you would see how we talked about was coding. We had coding tutorials, we were building projects and stuff like that. But right now, everything has changed. The programming industry, the programming landscape has changed. Everybody can code. AI can code. So we need to talk about something more unique. And when I mean unique, I'm talking about not just coding, but doing it in an exclusive and better way. How can you sell your products if you are a founder? How can you market to the people? How can you distribute? Because your project can be the best and it's just on your laptop, but if you don't have people to give it out to, then no one is ever going to use it. So what am I trying to say in essence is that we need to move with the new direction, move with the new time, and the times we are in is a time of distribution and marketing, the times of digital strategy, the times of AI and automation, the time of hybrid tech. And that is the new direction this channel is going to be taking. And I would be your lead on the videos going forward. So if you are a new person here, I welcome you. And if you've known me before, well, it's good to meet you again. And I hope we'll be able to do this subsequently. So from today, I want us to move from just being builders, to marketing geniuses. I want us to move from debugging codes and spending all our time trying to create the best project, spending days and weeks trying to develop that sweet project when we could just integrate AI and get it done as soon as possible. I want us to move from when we try to implement things manually to a time where we can, move on with automations and make our life easy. And that is what this channel is going to be about. We have to move on from how things were done previously to how we expect things to be done currently, especially in these new times. But to make this work, I need to know what is holding you back. I need to know where you're having a big pause in your career, in the advancement of the passion that you've been trying to pursue. I need to know what is slowing you down, and that is going to set the tone for how we move forward subsequently. So if you are not too busy, I want you to get onto the comment section of this video and tell me, what do you want us to start talking about almost immediately? What project do you want us to build? What do you want me to teach you on in the landscape of AI, in the landscape of marketing and growth strategy? What is that pressing need that you think we should start off with? And I'll be waiting to hear from you in the comment section. But so we don't forget, it's good to have you guys. It's good to have you back. It's good to talk to you again. And I can't wait to start recording the new videos and to see how well we can advance our career as a group and also individually. I'll see you and thank you very much for listening to me. Welcome back.